Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move type on a path in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now we create a type tool on a path. Then go to the tool section and select the ellipse tool. Then go to the type on a path tool and type anything. Then write anything on our keyboard. Then select the text and increase the font size. You want to move the type on a path, go to the type option and select the type on a path option. Then go to the option. You can increase the decrease the spacing. You can flip this, otherwise align this, etc. Then click OK. Now I click the move tool. You want to move the type on a path. Here we can see we move this type on a path. Now we can see we move the type on a path very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.